Well, hi. Today I'm going to make my first meal using the CalmDo multifunctional electric skillet and grill. And this thing is so amazing. Well, what I'm going to make is spaghetti and sausage. I'm going to grill the sausage first using the grill plate. And I'm going to remove the grill plate, fill up the skillet part, which is 3 inches deep, with water, boil it and cook my spaghetti in there, drain the water out, add sauce and sausage, and it's going to be so good. I might even let it simmer for a few hours. I'll see how it goes, but I'm hungry. But let's get started. Let me show you how this all fits together here. Look, come on up. That's a nice knob that doesn't get hot. And the lid fits the grill plate or the big pan. And if you scan this, you get an extra 3 years of a warranty. Isn't that nice? Okay, I want to show you how everything fits together here. Look, this is just for storage. Put the grill plate there, put the wire in there, just for storage. Can remove this big vessel. The lid fits on there as well, if you're only using that part, which we're going to use. But first we're just going to use the grill. Look, that's it. Plug the cord in and get grilling. Then I'm going to remove that grill, put the spaghetti and water in here, and my meal. Isn't that amazing how it all stores together nicely in a small area? And look what I found. Oh, big thing of minced garlic. I'm going to add that to the sauce at the end. You got regular sauce. Pennsylvania Dutch style country sausage. This is a non-stick grill plate, so I'm not going to put down any cooking spray or oil or anything. Plug this in the side. Compared to all our other big appliances, this is a nice size. And I was amazed how everything fit together, even the power cord. Plug that in. We're going to put this between medium and high. We have so many adjustments here. Look. See? Once you use it a few times, you'll see what you like there. Warm is pretty warm, and the warm goes from 158 to 194 Fahrenheit. Getting hot already. Low, which is here, goes from 338 to 374 Fahrenheit, and high goes to 446 to 482 Fahrenheit. I'm going to go between low and high. Warm already. I washed it last night. I'm going to cut my sausages in about 4 or 5 inch long slices. Okay. Put them on there, and here's some sizzle. Are we ready to hear the first sizzle? Sometimes when I make sausage, I cut these in like 1.5 inch pieces, like meatball size. But today I'm going to go like this. Watch. First time. You're here. Ooh, that's going to be so good. Sometimes I remove the casing. Should I do that today? No. Sometimes I do. That's enough for 2 people, right? Might be enough for 3 or 4 people. Oh, yes. Let's let that go a few minutes. I'll roll them around. The lid also fits on there. Man, it smells good already. Holy cow. Even my thongs over there. Nice, non-stick. Look at that. We have a thermometer. We're going to check the internal temperature of that meat because it's ground meat. Can't wait. Sunday dinner or Tuesday lunch. Whatever you like. Oh, look, already. See? This tells me that I might turn it down a little bit. Turn it down closer to low. Low is still pretty hot. Now, you know, this is the first time we're using it, so that's why we're going to experiment. Look at that. Look at the grill marks. You can make your grill marks go sideways, too, if you like. Okay, let's cook them a little lower so the inside gets cooked. And knob stays cool on the top. Matches the front. That's nice. And it has a vent hole. And down a little more. I'm in no hurry. Who said that? I'll stop back in a few minutes. Alright, I've been rolling these around a little bit. Look at those. It sure smells good. Roll them around. Let them cook evenly all over the place. What do you think? You like it like I like it? A couple more minutes. Still rolling these around. I wanted to say, look, this isn't hot. Cool to the touch. The handles, you can pick it up, move it around, but the glass and everything else is hot. Look at these. Oh, look at. See? Rolling them around nicely. If I wanted my grill marks to go sideways, I'd do that too, you know? Let's turn them this direction. It smells so good. Okay, just keeping you updated. We'll be done in a few minutes. Alright, look at that. I think I'm going to check the internal temperature right now. I feel like tasting one. Oh, it's got to be ready, right? Oh, yes. Internal temperature, we want it to be 165. This is not a talking thermometer, but it's a thermometer. Oh, 184. 189, 196, they're done. Turn heat off. And that light comes on orange when it kicks on to give it some heat. 199, these are done, look at this. 199, I love it. Oh boy. Let's remove this grill plate. I'm going to put it over here on the counter, out of the way, with pot holders. I'm going to keep it in the grill pan. See that? And it doesn't sit in its own grease either because of the ridges there. Yes, now look. Nice and clean. We're going to take this big pan, 3 inches deep, fill it with water, and boil it. And the temperature for boiling water is 212 degrees. So we can put that on low. So we can set that to low to boil because low is 338 to 374. Or you could put it between warm and low. You'll see where you want it. That's probably enough, right? I'm using half a box of spaghetti, which is half a pound. We used the other half on a different recipe at Pass the Word channel. So let's go to between warm and low, a little bit over low. That's gonna boil. It really is. A little bit of salt. You don't have to, but we think it helps. Put the lid on. Good job. Then when that water boils, I'm going to add this half a pound of spaghetti. Look at these beautiful beauties over here. Want to bite right now, don't you? I do. Caramelized a little bit, see that? Just regular sausage. Then we're going to add it all together. And have a feast for a beast. With the CalmDo multifunctional cooker. Now that's a multi-cooker. Does a lot of stuff. I like the small footprint too. Okay. Turn it up till it gets boiled. I can't wait. I'm going to take a taste of this sausage. Okay. Where am I? That's good. That's some good meat. Come on, boil. The water came up to a rapid boil in 10 minutes. Look at that. I'm going to add my half a pound of spaghetti because that's all we want today. And this spaghetti says, return to a rapid boil and boil for 6 to 8 minutes. And looks like this pot is the perfect size for spaghetti, isn't it? It says boil uncovered, so I'm going to boil uncovered and stir it around occasionally for 6 to 8 minutes. Let me check the clock. All right. What's that? Beautiful. So far, beautiful. Can't wait. Want one of these for a snack? Did you ever chew on these when your mom was cooking stuff? Don't chew on it. Could call this a one-pot meal, right? I'm gonna add when I drink the water, add my sauce. Add a lot of minced garlic. We had regular garlic cloves, but we used them all up, of course. Some oregano to Italian it up a little more. It's gonna be good. And we have some leftover garlic knots from our snack supper last night that we're gonna eat on the side. Be back. That was 8 minutes, and look at it. I tasted a piece, and it's pretty good. But I'm going to leave it in the sauce and sausage for a while too. Remember, on low. All right, let me turn this off right now, and pour this into my strainer in the sink. Ooh, steam bath. Return the pan here. That's not even that hot. Look, see? But I would use pot holders anyway. Return the spaghetti. A pound would fit good in there. Or shells or whatever you want to put. 1 jar of sauce. This is 24 ounces. Oh, I don't need no water in here, right? Yeah, I want to rinse out the jar. So I'll get a little bit of water that way. And shake that up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Oh. Simmer down, simmer down. Mix that up good. Oh, you know what we're gonna have next? All right, wait a minute now. Let me add my seasoning first. Whew. I think my grandma would like that. I bet you. Right? Even though it's made on some newfangled gadget. How much garlic do we like? Minced garlic. Oh! 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 You should smell that. More than that? 2 of those. How's that? Oh! Now that's going to cook down. Spread it around. Some oregano. Mix that up a little. Hey, I switched utensils. What do you think? Return the beautiful sausage that was made on the CalmDo grill plate. Isn't that amazing? And of all the gadgets we have in the house, I don't think I have one that has a grill plate and a boiling pan, griddle. I'm looking around, I don't see anything like that here. We can brown in other appliances, but it doesn't actually have a grill plate. Look at this. I'm going to put this on low, the lowest temperature here. I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to put it right on warm. Okay, and warm is 158 to 194 degrees. So at that temperature for about as many hours as I want. I don't know, I want to eat it right now. But we're going to leave it in here for an hour and a half, 2 hours. Let it simmer, let it cook down a little bit. That's going to be so delicious. Great Sunday dinner or any day of the week. So stop back in a second or so. Okay? That cleaned up easy. Look at that. Hot water, a little soap, and just washed off with a wash rag. Isn't that nice? Look, I put my garlic knots up there about an hour ago. I left this in here for an hour and a half on warm. Oh, they're nice. These are left over from a feast we had last night. I just want to warm them up there. Let's see now. I can't wait. Oh, there we go. I stirred it a few times within that hour. Put the sausage down underneath the spaghetti. Oh boy, it smells so good. Where's my plate? You could put more sauce in here if you like. Right? Look at that. Well, this is enough for maybe 4 regular people. You hunk of sausage out of there. A couple hunks of sausage. More. Mmm. Mmm. You want some, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me just taste this first, okay? Come on over to the table. I'll show you. I'm going to take a bite. Here's another good use for this. Look at that, right to the table, see? Serve up what you want. Now it's time to eat.
Oh, don't strain your voice.
Here we go. Look at this. I just want to taste it for you right here. Look at the sausage. I couldn't wait. How's that? Hmm? Try that in a CalmDo multifunctional multi-cooker. A true one-pot meal, from grilling to boiling to cooking. I like it. Check the link down there. This is good for your RV too, or your camper. Small apartments, bedrooms, pickup trucks. As long as you got power. I like that it's small like that. We're gonna finish eating this. Have a nice day. Stop back soon. Please subscribe. Take it easy. Bye. Time to eat. Come on, get yours. I'm gonna eat it all. Don't forget them garlic knots.